He's not getting it back, and it's final.
I just don't understand why you won't give him his job back.
Because he stole my dime.
He already said he didn't steal the dime, man. Just give him his job back.
Look, I've already told you multiple times he's not getting his job back. You keep asking me, you're gonna be next.
Mr. Krabs.
What?
What's that in me,
I
you?
want you to listen and listen closely. Squidward has been living at my house, driving me crazy, and you won't take him back because of a stupid dime.
I said I don't want to play the board game.
No, trust me, it'll be really quick. Come on.
I don't want to play the board game.
No, boy, how I insist. It'll be really quick. Look. 1, 2.
Mr. Krabs! I'm gonna go to bed!
I'm making a quick run myself. The worst thing I've ever seen. I don't think anything worse because I'm beating everything in the line.